Major trends in broadcasting. One of the major trends that is emerging in broadcasting is immersive content on television. Technology made it possible to offer media content that audience can interact and experience. To receive immersive content, audience requires specialized television sets and other accessories like 3D glasses and virtual reality headsets, etc. The coming of smart television with better illuminated television screens made it feasible for direct to home DTH provider to telecast 3D cinema. For example, Tata Sky has been one of the first who provided these contents to the viewers on demand. Internet Protocol Television IPTV. IPTV and Internet Video use IP technology for video delivery. IPTV has similarities to traditional cable television, satellite and broadcast television, where continuous channels of programming are delivered to consumers for viewing on traditional television sets. In contrast, Internet Video delivers discrete pieces of content selected by individual viewers for viewing on a display connected to your personal computer. In terms of the range of content and amount of control, IPTV is like listening to music from a radio broadcast, whereas Internet Video is like listening to music on a personal MP3 player. FDI in media industry. The foreign direct investment inflows in the information and broadcasting sector, including print media, in the period April 2000 to March 2019 is 8.38 billion US dollar as per data released by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. There are some more pertinent questions which need immediate attention once the FDI in media is increased, like who would be the beneficiary of FDI in media, the public or the proprietors. So, how the rise in FDI cap in media is going to address these issues would be watched very keenly. Since the survival of democracy owes a great deal to the freedom of the press, let us see how new rules in FDI unravels great Indian media bazaar. Post liberalization, the rise of private media players brought stiff competition with a variety of new content. The role of public service broadcasting in nation building is undeniable. It is important to regenerate the public service broadcasting with the new infrastructure and other facilities. Media regulations. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India is advocating to the Government of India to bring in regulations and boost broadcasting industry. Media regulation is confronted today with newer challenges of advanced communication architecture, accelerated privatization of news, volumes of media contents which have blurred the boundaries between information, entertainment and polemics. Broadcasting in India, which is called media and entertainment industry, by its sheer size and growth not only attracts large corporation but also political organization. According to TRAI consultative paper, media productions are not regular commodities as they shape cultural life of society and serve as strong tool to form public perception, especially in a developing countries like India. It further notes that a number of corporates entering the media sector can use the media to bias views and influence policy making in a manner so as to promote their interests while generating revenues for themselves. In recent times, we hear of paid news, political lobbying by popular television channels, and propagating false forecasts are some of the issues that can defeat the very purpose of media in democracy. Government is mulling over bringing OTT platforms under the purview of state monitoring law. Future of broadcasting. The KPMG report in 2019 on media entertainment in India predicts digital user base going to increase tremendously. The digital consumers are classified as non-English speaking mobile phone users from a developed rural area, non-metro urban setting, who is increasingly willing to pay for content online. Consumers are now vulnerable in terms of buying the content in small amounts. For example, there is no single source of entertainment like a television set or telephone per household. More or less every member of the house is paying for their telephone bills, internet costs, and subscription to OTT platforms. As the content is available in a variety of OTT platforms, small amounts of money is spent on OTT platforms to get the desired content. The cost of media has increased in the current broadcasting format. Broadcasting the content to more specifically and customized to suit the taste and preference of the audience. The immersive media content will start as a specialized service, but it is going to occupy a sizable amount of entertainment space in broadcasting. Audience buy portable technologies for immersive media content. In technological sense, live streaming or OTT, integration of VR and AR, IPTV, immersive entertainment are emerging trends. Let me conclude by quoting Rupert Murdoch. He says, "The world is changing very fast. Big will not beat the small anymore. It will be the fast beating the slow." This is all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this session. See you again. Till then, thank you and namaskar.